See manual services in action. We have a user, okay, Dewey Doc, that if we look at his definition within iTeam, Dewey Doc has a job code 2, which gives them automatically the roles employee and teller. Fine. Let's say that Dewey gets promoted to an auditor, but it's promoted outside. iTeam doesn't have an adapter for it, so it's promoted outside, and he is given in the CSV file. He's going to be given auditor. He's promoted, but an auditor should not have the teller attribute. And if you're going to promote him, you need to do it in iTeam, because that's where you define your policy about the roles that this person should have in here. So if we just do it like that, let's see how iTeam catches that. Well, we're going to run a recon, and we're going to do a recon on the loan management application. We are going to upload the file that has the change that wasn't done right. We upload the file and click OK to submit the recon. When we look at the status of the recon, what we see is that we have something pending. Okay, what is this pending here? Well, we look at the activities, and we have a global alert policy enforcement. We click on it, we are quickly told that Dewey Doc is not compliant. Why? Because it was given auditor, and you should remove that, or you should promote him in the right way, which is you change him in iTeam and give him the role of an auditor. Let's say we do it. We do like that, and we also get a notification. Well, let's say that we're going to go ahead and change actually the user. We're going to change the user Dewey Doc, and we are going to correctly promote in the way he should be. He's going to have now job code 4, which is the job code of an auditor, and he should lose the teller attributes immediately. And this will be done by iTeam. Should it have an adapter, should be done on the application itself. So again, we look into Dewey Doc, and he is now a flamboyant auditor, and he should not have the teller. Okay, so that was done. That's okay. Let's see if we have any other pending activities in here. Well, we dealt with this already. We said that we correct this, and do we get any additional notification? Yep, we get this, that we should notify that we have already dealt with that warning. That's the way that this was set up. So we can go ahead and run another recon. The recon is going to fail again because Dewey should not have the, now that he's an auditor, he should not have the teller attribute, which is what they forgot to remove in his case. So if we go to the loan management application and we run another recon uploading the same file as before, we haven't made any changes on the file. The file is uploaded, and we look at the status. We correctly see that it's all still pending. Why is it pending? Well, because he's an auditor, but he should not have the teller attribute. Let's see what is it that our iTeam told us about that. Let's say, well, Dewey Doc is not compliant because teller should be removed. Okay, we need to correct that. So we go to the file, and the recon help us to notice that there's something that needs to be removed, and it is this teller attribute. It should not be a teller. So once that is done, we look at the other notification that's the way we set up the system. We look at the other notification and we say that we fix this, and we can put add comments, etc. Right? So that should make the recon complete. Otherwise it also can time out and complete after the timeout. And we're going to run another recon now that we have done things properly, and we should not find any problem right now. So we go ahead and upload the same file that we just modified, removing the teller attribute. We submit the recon, and we look at the status of the recon, and voila, it's successful. iTeam allowed us to enforce a policy and to make the changes right, in spite of the fact of not having an adapter done for that.